Season 2, Episode 32, Singer 221, no good stitches yet. But just you watch, just you wait, my friends. In this movie, I will correctly thread the needle, right to left. We'll also remove the dog and cover plate for inspection, cleaning, and learning. And remove the bed extension off first. A little bit of a snap to that. It's sticky. So we got a screw and a washer, like that. There we are. So that's off. Cool. Well, that certainly opens it up just nicely, doesn't it? Alright, time to see if I can thread this on the first try. And it has to be right to left. Thread the needle and see if we can get the sewing machine to sew as intended. That is the goal after all. There, that's on nice and snug. I don't think it'll vibrate loose or anything. The needle is threaded correctly. Now we're going to see what happens. Finally worked, and so the reason that it hadn't worked before and the thread had broken was because I had it threaded left to right instead of right to left. Stitches, I know that's a pretty fine stitch because I've got it set like up around 32. So we're going to move along and remove the foot, the needle, the plate, the dog, and we'll have a look and then we'll get into this and make sure that it's all clean, you know, up behind the bobbin case by the hook there, and maybe take the hook out, I think. So we haven't done the light switch, we haven't done the light, and we haven't done the motor, but we've done the electrical that we had to do to get to this point, and yeah, I'm encouraged. Okay, so we're going to get into the next part of this footage, and I'm going to remove the foot, the needle, the plate cover, underneath that the dog. I'm also going to take off the faceplate because I want to have a look in there too while we're at it. We'll put the foot down, we'll take the needle out, put it over there by itself, then we'll take up the foot and we'll get the foot off. Wow. I think I may just leave all that dust on the dog. Oh, and there's a lot of dust down in there too. Oh, it's a good thing we're getting in here. I mean, this is like 73 years worth of dust, my friends. Anyway, this can go in there. I don't want to scratch the paint. I just got so darn excited seeing all that mess there. Will this be enough to... I don't think so. I didn't think so. So you can see what a mess that is. Right down in there. I mean, it's really messy. Here, there. So we're definitely going to have to clean, take the hook out, take the bobbin case out, took the hook out, there'll be dust down there. Then we'll have to turn it upside down after we get the dust off and clean it. You know, it's going to need a clean, you know, a day at the spa. A scrub and deodorant. Anyway, so this is going to be cool. There you can see the hook right there. That's the hook there. So that's what I'm trying to get off. Right here is the one screw that I have to undo, and then there's another one exactly opposite this one on the other side of that shaft. So let me see if I can get it off without having to get any closer. Yeah, that loosened it. There's a little bit of dust there, but you know what? It looks pretty good. There's no... So I want to thank you very much for coming and viewing. I appreciate you spending time out of your day, out of your life to come and see the things that I like to play with, but you know, we all like to learn and teach each other, you know. And so thank you for coming here. Thank you for subscribing. If you like to hit the notification bell, then every time I post a movie, you'll get a little message that I posted again. I usually post at least 2 a week. Right now I'm posting 3, sometimes 4 a week. So I'm pretty spontaneous, but as a rule, Thursday and Sunday, early Thursday and Sunday mornings is my regular posting days. But like I said, I'm doing 3, sometimes 4 videos a week, depending on the length of video. They take me about at least 15 hours each to make, so there's a fair little time investment. Anyway, my friends, I want to thank you. Stay safe, have fun. Adios, amigos.